Hello and welcome to this TechByte. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Hirschmann Bobcat switches. Hirschmann Bobcats were first released in 2018 and are the direct replacements to the Hirschmann RS Ranger switches, which have been a firm favourite in control system networks. Like the RS Ranger switches, the Bobcats are all DIN rail mounted and they are layer 2 fully managed devices. The new range is still very energy efficient and suited to those plant floor applications where they can operate in environments up to 60 degrees Celsius. Bobcats are a vast upgrade on the RS Ranger switches, and these are seen as a robust upgrade option for those looking to upgrade their control system switches. Compared to the classic software, HiOS offers lots of new features. There's improvements around switching and redundancy, there's new tools added for easier management of the devices, and there is a massive improvement in security options as well. HiOS doesn't require any additional software to interface to it. To control these switches can simply be done via a web browser and looking at the IP address of the device. The most notable addition is time-sensitive networking. This feature allows real-time communication to those devices that really need it, such as PLCs. Starting with the 20 series, these are all 100 megabit devices with both copper and fibre options. We've then got the 30 series, which again, 100 megabits, but have gigabit uplinks. We've then got the 40 series, which are all gigabit devices. And there's the new addition of the 50 series, which give up speeds up to 2.5